Hey guys, welcome to Login Hub. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Vidon AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Vidon AI on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address vidon.ai, and after that hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Vidon over here, guys. And now in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign in button available over here. Click on sign in, and after clicking on the sign in button you can see we are over here, or we were redirected over here, but this is not login page, guys. You can see the login again over here where it says they have an account already. So click on login over here, and you can see it switched to the login page instead of the sign up page from over these buttons. So in order to log in now, you'll be required to enter your email address with which you had created an account on the Vidon Text to AI account, and after that enter your password over here, guys. Well, guys, you can also directly continue to your Vidon AI account with your Google, even if you have not signed up for it. From this button, if you click on this button where it says continue with Google, you will be redirected to the login page of Google. And if you sign into your Google account over there, you will have also created an account on the Vidon AI, and you will be logged in directly. And with that being said, guys, this is the procedure for manual login, and this is the Google automated login. So over here on the manual login page, guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on it, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your Vidon AI account's password. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Vidon AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.